Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're embarking on a grand tour of one of the most historically rich, culturally vibrant, and utterly charming countries in the world, England. From its quirky traditions to its breathtaking landscapes, England truly has a special something for everyone. And as I'm currently based here in the historic city of Canterbury, I thought, what better time to share my top 10 things that make this nation truly unique? So grab a cuppa, get comfortable, and let's dive in. Kicking us off at number 10. There's simply nothing quite like a traditional English pub. It's more than just a place to grab a drink. It's the heart of the community, a living room away from home. Picture roaring fires in winter, sun-drenched beer gardens in summer, and the comforting murmur of conversation. From the perfectly poured pint of ale to classic pub grub like fish and chips or a Sunday roast, pubs are where stories are shared, friendships are forged, and the true spirit of England comes alive. You'll find them in every village, town, and city, each with its own unique character and history. It's a social institution that has endured for centuries, and long may it continue. Moving on to number 9. England is renowned for its incredible gardens, and for good reason. From the grand, meticulously designed landscapes of stately homes like Sissinghurst and Kew, to the charming, overflowing cottage gardens that dot the countryside, gardening here is an art form. It's a national obsession, reflecting a deep love for nature and beauty. Even the smallest urban spaces often burst with floral displays. There's a peace and tranquility you find in an English garden that is truly special, a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. While many think of England as green and rolling, its coastline is incredibly diverse and absolutely stunning. From the iconic white cliffs of Dover, standing proudly as guardians of the nation, to the rugged, surf-battered shores of Cornwall and the quaint, sandy beaches of the southeast, there's a coastal experience for everyone. You can go fossil hunting on the Jurassic coast, stroll along a historic pier, or simply breathe in the fresh sea air. Each stretch of coastline tells a different story, shaped by centuries of history and the relentless power of the sea. It might be a cliché, but it's true. England runs on tea. This isn't just a drink. It's a ritual, a comfort, a solution to almost every problem. From the comforting morning brew to the elaborate ceremony of afternoon tea, it's woven into the fabric of daily life. And what's tea without a biscuit? Whether it's a digestive, a rich tea, or a shortbread, dipping a biscuit into your hot cuppa is a simple pleasure that defines British coziness. It's a tradition passed down through generations, and a testament to our enduring love for a good cuppa. England is practically bursting at the seams with history. Wherever you go, you're tripping over centuries of the past. Think of the mysterious standing stones of Stonehenge, the incredible Roman baths in Bath, majestic medieval castles that whisper tales of knights and kings, and the awe-inspiring Gothic cathedrals that dominate city skylines. Even our smallest towns boast buildings that are hundreds of years old. Walking through places like Canterbury, where I am now, you can feel the layers of history beneath your feet. It's a country where the past is ever present, offering a tangible connection to generations gone by. Love them or not, the British Monarchy is an undeniable and incredibly special part of England's identity. It's a continuous line of royalty stretching back over 1,000 years, offering a unique blend of tradition, history, and spectacle. From the changing of the guard at Buckingham Palace to grand state occasions and royal weddings, the pageantry is truly something to behold. The monarchy provides a sense of continuity and a link to the past, attracting millions of visitors and maintaining a fascinating cultural presence on the global stage. England's countryside is simply breathtaking. From the idyllic Honeystone villages and gentle rolling hills of the Cotswolds to the dramatic peaks and shimmering lakes of the Lake District, the wild expanses of Dartmoor, and the ancient woodlands, it's a landscape of incredible diversity and beauty. Our national parks and areas of outstanding natural beauty are meticulously preserved, offering endless opportunities for hiking, cycling, or simply enjoying the peace and quiet. It's a green and pleasant land that deeply inspires artists, writers, and anyone seeking solace in nature. British humor is a special beast. It's often dry, sarcastic, self-deprecating, and sometimes utterly absurd. We love a good pun, a bit of wordplay, and finding the funny side in almost any situation. From the timeless sketches of Monty Python to the brilliantly cringe-worthy comedy of The Office, our humor is a reflection of our national character, often understated but incredibly sharp. It's a shared language, a way of connecting, and a crucial element of what makes the English, well, English. England is the birthplace of some of the greatest storytellers the world has ever known. From the timeless plays of William Shakespeare to the social commentary of Charles Dickens, the romanticism of Jane Austen, the fantastical worlds of J.R.R. Tolkien and C.S. Lewis, and the modern masters of today, our literary heritage is truly unparalleled. These stories have shaped global culture and continue to inspire millions. You can feel this rich history of words in every ancient library, every literary landmark, and every corner of the country that inspired these masterpieces. It's a profound wellspring of creativity that continues to flow. This one encompasses so many little things, but ultimately, it's the unique character of the English people and their charming quirks that truly make this country special. We are a nation of polite cue formers, master apologizers, even when it's not our fault, and possess a resilience often masked by a good sense of humor. We have eccentric traditions like Morris dancing and cheese rolling, a love for sensible weather-related conversation, and a deep-seated appreciation for fair play. It's the subtle nods, the understated wit, the slightly stiff upper lip that sometimes gives way to immense warmth, and the sheer grit that defines the English spirit. These are the things you can't quite put your finger on, but they're everywhere, making every interaction and every experience uniquely, delightfully English. It's this collective spirit, steeped in history and often delivered with a polite smile, that makes England truly unforgettable. And there you have it, my top 10 special things about England. Of course, this is just a glimpse into what makes this country so wonderful, and there are countless other things to discover. What are your favorite things about England? Have I missed anything crucial? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more explorations of places and cultures. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers!